Strava versus Nike Run Club. Which running app is better? Choosing the right running app can completely change how you track progress and stay motivated without overwhelming features. Both Strava and Nike Run Club offer unique tools for runners. Strava and Nike Run Club are two popular running apps designed to improve your training. The core difference lies in Strava's focus on detailed analytics and community challenges, while Nike Run Club emphasizes guided coaching and motivational features. Strava is a comprehensive running app that tracks your routes, pace, elevation, and heart rate using GPS and sensor data. It works by syncing with your smartphone or compatible devices to record detailed workout metrics. Its strengths include advanced performance analysis, segment competitions, and a strong social community where users share routes and achievements. Strava also integrates with various fitness trackers and cycling apps, making it versatile for multi-sport athletes. However, some features like in-depth analytics and training plans require a paid subscription. The interface can feel data-heavy for casual runners who prefer simplicity. Strava is ideal for serious runners and cyclists who want to monitor progress closely, compete with others, and engage in community challenges. Nike Run Club focuses on delivering a user-friendly running experience with guided audio coaching, personalized training plans, and motivational features. It tracks your runs using GPS and provides real-time feedback on pace and distance. The app excels in offering expert-led coaching sessions and challenges designed to keep runners motivated and improve performance gradually. Nike Run Club also integrates social sharing and achievement badges, but centers more on encouragement than detailed analytics. While it offers less in-depth data compared to Strava, the app's simplicity and coaching make it accessible for beginners and intermediate runners. Limitations include fewer advanced metrics and less emphasis on competitive features. Nike Run Club suits runners looking for structured guidance, motivation, and a straightforward interface without overwhelming technical details. Strava and Nike Run Club serve different runner profiles. Strava is perfect for those who want to analyze every detail of their run, compete in segments, and connect with a competitive community. For example, a marathoner tracking splits and elevation gains will find Strava's data invaluable. On the other hand, Nike Run Club offers guided coaching and motivation, ideal for someone training for their first 5K or maintaining a regular running habit with support. Its audio feedback and simple design make it easy to stay consistent. The trade-off is between depth of data and coaching simplicity. Strava demands more engagement with analytics, while Nike Run Club focuses on encouragement and training structure without complex metrics. Choose Strava if you want advanced analytics, competitive features, and a strong social running community to push your performance to the next level. Nike Run Club is the better choice if you prefer guided coaching, motivation, and a straightforward app to build running habits. Both apps excel in their areas, so pick the one that fits your running goals and style best for lasting progress.